Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on Friday said that the Congress has done a great disservice to the nation by coining the term Hindu terror. This a week after a Haryana court acquitted all four accused, including Aseemanand, in the Samjhauta blast case. A week after the verdict in the Samjhauta blast case acquitted all the four accused, including Aseemanand, the BJP today targeted the Congress for politicizing terror.
और ये हिंदू आतंकवाद का एक नारा कांग्रेस ने दिया था वोट बैंक के लिए और उसको पूरा करना था, तो कई केसों में उन्होंने फर्जी एविडेंस के बेस पे ये थ्योरी बनाई थी। शायद इसी का ही परिणाम है जो आज तक हिंदुओं को आतंकवादी मान रहे थे, अब धर्म के प्रति अपनी श्रद्धा दिखलाने में लगे हैं।
The blast in Samjhauta Express had occurred near Panipat in Haryana on the 18th of February 2007 when the train was on its way to Attari in Amritsar. The blast had ripped apart two coaches of the cross-border train, killing 68 people, mostly Pakistani nationals. While the probe in the Samjhauta blast case was on, senior Congress leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Digvijay Singh, P. Chidambaram and Sushil Kumar Shinde had raised the issue of saffron terror.
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी हो या आरएसएस के हो, उनके जो ट्रेनिंग कैंप है वो हिंदू टेररिज्म बढ़ाने का काम देख रहे हैं.
The NIA took over the probe from Haryana police in 2010, 3 years after the blast. NIA submitted in the charge sheet that Aseemanand was upset over terror attacks in the temples in 2002 and wanted to avenge them. The agency accused Aseemanand for providing ideological support to other accused. However, the court acquitted all the four accused, including Aseemanand, rapping the agency for not providing admissible evidence. In its order, the court also said that the agency should not coin terms like Muslim terror and Hindu fundamentalism, which will eventually lead to civil war.
The special NIA Judge Jagdeep Singh mentioned in his order that investigating agencies should not coin terms like Muslim terror and Hindu fundamentalism. The BJP today charged Congress for the same reason, and they feel that they stand vindicated over the issue. It would be interesting to see that whether Samjhauta blast would also be an election issue for either parties in the run-up to the elections. In Chandigarh, this is Mohammad Ghazali for NDTV.